there's a new facility opening on the pier. It's a resort hotel right on the water. And it's run by Catton's family. Decorate the rooms based on various themes to ensure guests enjoy their stay. For example, the theme in this one is Seaside Room. Furniture items that match the theme are provided. You can also use other furniture you previously obtained, so feel free to decorate however you like. There we go. After decorating a room, you'll earn hotel tickets. All sorts of hotel-themed items and other rarities exclusive to her shop. By dressing up these mannequins, guests can borrow hotel outfits that are sure to brighten up their day. Recommend outfits that match your island's vibe or the season, so guests can make the most of their stay. Fashionable outfit ideas to life is to invite guests. Thank you for your hard work, as always. We hope. Check this box to see which items to craft. Once you've gathered the necessary materials, it's time to get crafting. Deliver the goods in exchange for hotel tickets. Take your home storage to the max. Until now, you could store up to 5,000 items, but with this update, you can upgrade it 2 more times and store a total of 9,000 items. And now you can even store trees, shrubs, and flowers. Well, who do we have here? Rossetti's yard of this house. You can also have him clean up any flowers or custom designs. Any items he collects can be safely stored away, just in case you need them. When you enter a deep slumber, Luna will welcome you. Decorate your slumber island by using items you previously obtained. And even place plants and trees like this. You can widen rivers. You can easily place bridges and inclines. Select the time of day and the weather. Then bring your island residents on by. Each player can build up to 3 slumber islands. And choose from 3 sizes: small, medium, or large. You can also meet up on work together to build a cliff. Or dig in to create a lake. Let's go over some of the new collaboration items coming carrying Nintendo products, including retro toys and classic games system. Now that's playing with power. Additionally, via Nook Shopping, Lego items, including furniture, so mix and match to find combinations you like. The Zonai Authentication Crest, Triforce, plus other furniture and fashion items inspired by the Legend of Zelda series will become available. Newly added characters Tulin and Minoru can visit your island. Have a compatible amiibo from the Splatoon series. Cece or Vijay can visit your island. Seems like they're really into dressing up. They look a little collaboration items will also become available. Use them to show off your